Kia ora! Kia ora! And welcome back.
I can't do this.
I'll go off your lead.
Alright.
Kia ora! And welcome back to vlog
number 9
of the development of Urupa. So from our vlog last time, we kind of led with the idea that we're going to go with Governor Gray's story and dig deep into the actual, factual, historical.
Oh, I like that.
Thanks. Committing to the actual historical account of what happened with Governor Gray will limit us, and we can't create these big, grandiose and exciting events that we want to see in our game that take inspiration from other moments in New Zealand's history. So
We also want to have that creative freedom to explore, but like if we stick to the historical facts, we can't utilize our brain power for that.
we're going to kind of follow in what Rockstar does, also
Assassin's Creed.
where people like, they mention Leonardo da Vinci, and in Red Dead most recently we got Nikola Tesla. So we're going to kind of do a similar thing where we have a governor present in our story, but abstract it and take it away from Governor Gray so we can have some freedom with him.
The English Georgian design style.
Our big old aesthetic, I guess.
The context. What you're going to be seeing.
What you're going to be sitting on, what you're going to be eating off, what you're going to be throwing around the house. You know, all of these different assets and different props.
You want to recreate it.
And here are a couple of the houses around New Zealand that also have this style. We decided to road trip so we can get some more vast experience in looking at English Georgian style houses and architecture that can inform us as we design our house. So we went to Kawau Island and we got our road trip on. It was very welcomed by everyone there at Kawau Island.
Yeah, we felt like aliens there, to be honest. I was just gonna give a shout out to Tussie for coming with us.
Oh yeah, no, that can wait. Shout out to Tussie.
Tussie, number 1. Supposed to be our driver, but he only drove a little bit, eh? I think we done most of the driving.
Oh, the map, that's my favourite part. Some damn lights. The funny thing about Kawau Island and actually going there is that a lot of similarities could be drawn between that island and our original game idea that we drew up at the start.
Yeah, the stuff that got archived.
Yeah, so we had the ideas of having a nearby gold mine that was kind of producing a large conspiracy in the game.
And guess what? We have a copper mine on that island.
Kawau Island, here's the copper mine. I couldn't get any smooth footage than this footage here, but
because we were on this friggin' boat and we were friggin' going up and down and my back got realigned and it hurt, you know? Just like a workout being on that boat.
So there was that. We also want to see, you know, a nice dock, a nice, what would you call it, pier. We also wanted to see a nice courtyard, some gardens.
Yeah, we could potentially place our Urupa within.
Yeah. We got to Kawau Island.
Kawau Island.
Did you say Kawau?
Kawau.
He means Kawau Island, folks. So Doc said we couldn't take any photos or videos past this point that you can see on this here map. I'm sorry, but this is all we can show you. If you want to go up and visit the house, you are welcome to do so. Or you can go on Instagram and visit some of the handles at Kawau Island and see for yourself.
Woo! Oh my god! This is so majestic!
Woo! Shout out Steve one time.
So if you remember from last month's episode, we left on Tama getting a massive workout in that mocap suit. Right now we got the mocap data back and we're seeing how they look on the characters. We rigged up the characters, gave them a skeleton, fed through the motion capture data to that skeleton, and we were just trying to see how it looks, and it came through pretty good, you know. working on an AI for the Kuya. Right now she's moving around in T-pose.
You need some space?
Well, I don't want to show you guys that because you guys will be like, oh, it's nothing special. But behind the hood, you know, she's got a brain. She can think for herself. She knows what to do in certain situations. But now I just need to apply that mocap animation to her so it looks like she actually knows what she's doing.
And what I am going to be working on...
Yeah, what are you going to be working on?
I don't know, you got any ideas? I'm going to be starting on putting the house together after having finalised this floor plan. You know, merging the old design with the new design. I'm going to be working on actually building it in Maya. Well, he's essentially going to be building it in Maya. I'm going to be gluing it together. You know, he's going to be carving the balsa wood and I'm just going to be with the hot glue gun.
So I'm going to make all the assets and then he's just going to throw them everywhere and then to his floor plan and then it's going to look like a house.
Exactly. And while we're doing that, I'm still going to be working on the Bible, which you can see an overview of here with all the contents and the long list of things that need to be put into this Bible so that we can hand it over to the film commission and then they can decide whether they want to keep developing this concept, I guess.
Yeah, it's pretty much the blueprint of the game for the entire length, not just this episode, but the other episodes to come.
And hopefully by the end of it, it's a nice little illustrated booklet that inspires people to play the game and even fund the game, possibly.
We want to finish this prototype by February, so if you guys are interested in user testing, just comment down below and we can sign you up and get you going. You know, February is only 4 months away.
Yeah, comment under our YouTube video and if you're in the vicinity of Wellington, we'll make sure you make it to the game testing.
We'll post more details as the time gets closer.
Yes.
But just let us know and then we can, you know, we're going to probably get 40 people hopefully maybe to test it. You guys will not be sorry.
The only and first Māori based VR game made.
So you're just discounting what I worked on last year, Hehu and the Taniwha. That was a VR Māori game if I'm correct.
Oh yeah, okay, yeah, I totally just forgot about that. The second Māori game. Play Hehu and the Taniwha right now at this link. Thanks for watching everybody.
Ka kite anō.
And have a good day. Nice.
I feel like